Sindinganele bekunene sive sonkosi namuhla sesibuyile ngeSport Show sakaRubicon. Sicela kumbe ngaxolisa nje ukuthi kumbe ngelanga lemlayelo usibona ngaso Sport Show Thursday 7 p.m. asikakhona ukusidlala kodwa ke siyathemba ukuthi labo labalandzelako ikhasi lethu iSwatini Financial Times ngaFacebook bakhonile ukubona leyo ndlela lesixolise ngayo ukuthi lihlelo litawuqhubeka namhlanje ntambama nga7 p.m. ngolesihlalo. Bekunene ke angikho ngedwa njengoba nje nyade ukuthi vele angihlali ngihamba ngedwa uma ngahambi nemlingano wami Sibusiso Masilela ngihamba nalo lesimbitile lelo langa lo guest losivakashela njengoba nathi ke bekunene ukuthi live ligatsela umdlalo lomkhulu nje ke imphela sonto ngombe mibili kodwa umdlalo lomkhulu basikhuluma ngawo sikhuluma ngemidlalo lomkhulu FM bekuyimbabane derby labanye ndibatayela ukuthi it's the big derby mother of all derbies la kaNgwane bekuyimbabane Highlanders nembabane Swallows kuhlukana idolobha ekhathi ke la kaNgwane njengoba nibona nje eceleni kwami ublue and white kumnyama kunayo Thabiso Manyathi lo kumele imbabane Highlanders lokhulumela yona no pro lo CEO weinkunzi ngekubekwa ngupresident la kaMkhize loMbusiso nje lamalanga lephelile eceleni kwami kunemlingani Sibusiso Masilela ngiyena sawukhuluma ngaye nalo mdlalo lotako lomkhulu kangaka ngesonto kaSomhlolo National Stadium. Masilela ngicela ngawe mlingani
ufusele babukeli beRubicon Media Sport Show kuyinto ukuba nani njalo imihla ngemihla sibonge nje ukuthi sitholele ithuba njengoba live imindeni konke inhlangano tehlukene kule mpelasonto imbabane derby bathi ngibani lokwanyana
kunjalo Mr Manyathi ngisela balandzele nasifa
sivusele Nkosi sivusele Masilela sivusele nababukeli emakhaya sesingasho Nkosi ukuthi leSport Show sakho sesibusisekile lo invite live sebatabanza babukele emakhaya nokuthi khonile namuhla ukuthi ube nelive kule Sport Show sakho siyabonga
bathi khuluma kusebantwini ke bekunene niyadivela nami ngiyaqala ilive leligama lelive ngiyaliva namuhla silandzile sitadivela thina mathupha la ukuthi balive basho ukuthini ngoba phela nayi nesibalo siyayibona nayo ithi ita kulomdlalo nje ifuna ukucedzela isale ithi 6 points from Highlanders this season kulandzela ukuthi first round bahlangana emavuso kaManzini lapho kwakugcwele khona naleli kumbe abantu labenza ko4000 nyaka sibonile igame yaka Somhlolo and niyo yodwa ledlala Sunday Manyathi wende njani ukuze kuze benjalo Manyathi
asicale ngale gama lelive Nkosi ngiphendule leli gama lelive silisebenzisa ngoba imbabane Highlanders Football Club la idlala khona kutotonke itigotsi tala kaNgwane stadium siyagcwala kutotonke indzawo iHighlanders isukisa ekhaya ungasho wena ukuthi you are home but vele you are home because of le fixture iphuma kaphili but itsina we are always home away from home
lokunye nemlandvo wakho cishe uyatikhulumela umlando walo lecembu kubineni yona lenzebe ilefana neBaleague ma successes ayo cishe ngiyole hambe empili kiwo konke la kaNgwane
we are still one of the successful teams when it comes to Tingomishi Chris lo singabalekele seminyakana lethi mhlambe siqinile kuwina itinzebe but tinoleti lumfako lapha is top of the priority number one list on our priority list.
Yes manje uyafuna ukwadi lokho ukuthi vele sisaya next season ngoba lena seyiphelile kodwa ke ingakapheli uyabonakala ukuthi wena ezimbabane Highlanders nayo imbabane Swallows kukhona lo mdlalo lo mkhulu ukuthi vele kukhona le ukudlalelako maybe akusasiyo le title ye league ngoba lapho sibona insingizini number 1 ihamba ka 7 points ledinga nje umdlalo omunye ngole weekend nayo utawucetha nayo inayo derby leyo yiko leshiselwe ngemgcibelo
Nkosi derby is about bragging rights it's about who holds the keys ala imbabane edolobheni uthi ngibalo ntawuhamba uthatha skhiya lapha eMasipala so siya kule game lena nje iSwallows yasidla first round enga 1-0 ngalolu goal lanciba but ke lo wathatha umshivo wami utawubuyisa netimpondo siya kule game lena nje Nkosi we don't need to motivate our players. We don't need to motivate the fans. We motivation kwakhona nje ukuthi this is a derby. You remember also this derby is the second biggest derby in the southern region. Yeah. This is the 18th biggest derby in Africa. This derby is also recognized worldwide. So this is a very big game. It has nothing to do with banu number one. That is the cream on top of the cake. Okay, now we nothing to do. But always it's number one Swallows. It's about 90 minutes. We fight for that 90 minutes. After that, after we're done, we are the neighbors sibomakhelwane
Shake hands.
seyiphelile i-game.
Okay.
So going into this derby siyabuka ukuthi ama-possibilities ethu, it's one of those games that we need because ama-possibilities ethu ukuthi singaba number 3 maningi kakhulu.
Okay.
Number 3 ushiya nga-7 points sisele on 3 games, so that's 9 points.
Okay.
And we're still gonna play number 3
Young Buffalo.
Young Buffaloes.
Okay.
So kukuningi sebaningi ke babanga labo number 4 ngiyona imbabane Swallows nebangani bayo sesibonile ukuthi asale sibashiya lapha emsindweni wabo ke wa number 4 thina we want to dream even bigger, so we want number 3.
Okay.
Yes,
mlingane uyamuva ukhuluma ngalo number 3 kuyini lekho lapha lo number 3 kumbe lengenda lama team ngoba siyabona ukuthi nawubuka vele kusuka kulo number 4 uye kumbe ku number 9 or to number 10 cishe any of those teams isengafika ku number 4, but lawa lamabili besikhuluma ngawa number bane angafika ku number 3 uma kuyendeke i-team yamasotsha isilegishi iBuffalo. Kumbe awusitshela ukuthi yini lecarrot lengaka lelinye lelibangwako lapha in terms of ama prizes because ngiyathi kunedimali ekhona lapha.
Uteka yona Nkosi, lo number 3 kule mqhudelwano M10 Premier League utahamba nemali cishe bengana 300,000. Bese number 4
370,000 yes.
Cishe ithi 400,000 Dlamini. Bese number 4 uhamba cishe uhamba cishe 210,000 lokuyimali lengawasita kakhulu emaqembu akithi akangwane njengoba sathi ukuthi isimo somnotho sikho lesikahle. Manyathi labantu bathanza kuboyisa 3-4 encounters bakubeka sandla uthembisana nonyaka yini lokulungisile kule second round.
You remember ukuthi we had a technical page lebesiqale nayo isizini lebeyihambe ne-team ya pre-season kuhamba emalanga asho ukuthi kwaba khona la kungahlangana khona sagcina sesithola lenye technical bench lena ke lefikile technical bench. They have been doing very well. Ilitwa ngibabe Sly Mosala ube waba khona la eveni phambilini. He did very well the last time he was here. So even now the stats speak for itself. We've played 8 games. We've won 6 games. We've won 5 games. We've drawn 2 games. Then we've lost 1 game. So the stats are looking good going into this game. Benkhona nje Jimini, the players they are looking healthy, they are happy, they are ready for the game. Everyone wants to play. Ungavela uvale emehlo ukhombe ukuthi wena nawe go start the game. They will give you the very best. So for us the motivation lenye lesinayo is to take the team back to where it belongs. So it's more than the incentive that is there. It's about the dignity of the team. Let's truly. Same season, sekambadlwana i-team icetha i-season out of the top 4. So that is what we want now. Sifuna ukuthi the team icethe ku position then isithundi. Let's start le season letako. But bantu ukuthi bamelwe yini.
Manyathi soke wahlala embiwayo eSwallows wahlala lapho number 4 for the first time this season ngamavikini namabili langcile nayo na ungena number 4 bokucetha bekunayo lapho lo number 4 wayibuyisa ngala yaqhubeka imidlalo wayethaba nkulu kumbe wangabuyi ne-result boyigadzile nayo iSwallows yaqhubeka kumbe yathola leyo draw lephinde emyabuya babuyisa ngenhla kwakho number 5 wanokushite number 6 nyalo but ngehead to head ama-points ayalingana kunele part nayo lebambe 40 points lebuka nayo ukuthi la ifuna kuyakhona nina nayo ifuna kuyakhona ukuthi ngabe vele bobani badlalile longasitshela ngayo ngoba umlandzeli uyafuna kwadi ukuthi ngabe ngambona yibani njengacele kumbe umdlalile besive ukuthi ukawathintheke kunabadlali abafana nabo Gumede bosiyabonga Mkhondo labawina ko-player of the month le kumbe balandzeli behighland baye bathi ukuthi makunalo chasa ngathemba ukuthi ula kungathini ngaleyo hlangothile.
Okay, squad Chris is right. My injuries it's those injuries that we've been having for some time now. Lokufaka khathi one of our senior players lokumvusi wakavila kade. Lokufaka khathi Ndolo cishe labo boyi2 lesingase ama casualties isiphamandla Maseko sitawuva ngabo coach ukuthi is he ready for the selection, but nasimbuka eJimini nabodokotela bambuke angumuntu lo almost ready.
Sikhuluma nga 24 reasons the captain
is called Man Navigator.
Okay.
Yes. So the other players are there. Simpuwe Hopolcele, that is there. Siyabonga Mkhondo is there. I know it's in cause my headaches, but it's fine. Siyabonga Mkhondo is there. Zwelihle Phewa is there. Msimisi Zwane is there. Ngosivumile Zulu is there. All the players are there. You will get everything that you want from the Tamayas, from the Shimobos, from the Show Me Your Number, from the brilliant saves. if they will have a chance to get into our goalpost.
Okay.
The goals itawukhonya nguzemnyama itathi ngayikhonya angeke ikhonye kanye angeke ikhonye kabili ngeke ikhonye kathathu angiyathi itawukhonya kangaki
ngempokuvela umlingani ekseni nikhuluma eredweni naye watiphendulela ukuthi cha uyakuva ukuthi inkunzi itawukhonya kodwa yena timpiko takhe nendlela eticine ngayo uyathi utabe sonandise netulo
skepho sabafazi namadoda ashoba lenkunzi sibekithi skepho sakepho lomuzondo sakushiya nesipha sibabuli lesi ingosi njengoba ngisho ukuthi le team leni nemlando le team lena this is a generational team lena I team lesetawuphila for the next upcoming generations. I don't know how many generations to come.
Okay.
So today is a tangent tape, so we have to make sure with whatever that we do we protect that gold.
Okay.
We protect that inheritance so that the next generation that is coming ithathe over nayo ingayikhanzise isilimalele. So imbabane Swallows I-team lesihloniphako elisiyinikako sigaba sayo.
Okay.
But this game ngisike saba ne conversation na president Mamkhize wangicela ukuthi ucela ngicele kuma supporters team ucela ngicele kubathanzi hayi balandzeli bathanzi thina sine bathanzi be team yes ucela ngicele kuneliculo leliyale limvusetelele naye nebadlali abavusetela naleli somlabalaba uyadlala umlabalaba ubese ubona nangale play ye team ukuthi le play lena seyiphendula nale chorus lehlatshelwa lapha ngaphandle litathi naliphela lona ibese yangena inkunzi emnyama itasi yakwaza
ngeke yasho imbabane Swallows maniphetha wona umdlalo we first round nakukhunyiswa bona abadlali basho bangakufihla ukuthi cha siyishayile Highlander kodwa no iyalihlaba iyalibeka phansi bakhuluma ngayo le tikitaka lesho
yes
ngabe lokumqeqesha lapho bekusese kumavusa siyambona uyafika Sly lesi lokumnanzi ngako kumbe lesikaphinde sikuvete ngaSly ukuthi akaqali ukufika la ku Highlander kuhamba Ernest Mavusa nakuqala bafika kwahamba coincidence so such a coincidence and ufika ku derby nakuqala kwakuthi derby so sibukile konke lokho timbo letibukwa kule timakiwa lo mdlalo lo nomunye kumbe uyasho ukuthi hayi Mosala ubonakala anemhlanhla kunamavusa ngombe ngoba phela nawe eze coach uyayidinga inhlanhla nje emidlalweni nawo sayemidlalweni nebafana ushilo ukuthi bafana badinga motivate and ngicabanga ukuthi nangale Swallows it's the same thing. It's unfortunate ke bekumene ukuthi asikakhoni kuba naye ebhambo ukuthi naye khona ukuthi khulumela la kodwa nje uvelile wasihlola wasivusela umlalelo ugoqoda
sekungabacela Nkosi kubabukela emakhaya futhi ngicela siphume sive senkosi ngicela siphume seto singathana ngomdlalo nomkhona kangaka lokho singacishe sikusonzete kubo national event. This is one of the key fixtures in the whole league. Lokho kusuke sekuwa wonke umuntu akusinje kwethu neMbabane Swallows. It's not Mbabane Legacy and Mbabane Swallows FC. It's for the whole country. So ucela bonke ama supporters aphume ngetingane bese sekucela komakebhola ukuthi siyacela sithi thenge tembatho te team so that kutoba nemehluko nasiphakamise emehlo sibuka lapha kuma grandstand sithi nasishaya le chorus sibe sifake i-uniform yeqembu. Siyacela kakhulu komakebhola simane sibambe ikhathi sitawukhumbula ukuthi emathikithi ayathengiswa kutotonke indzawo lesiyayeke sithenge kiti emathikithi aleminye imidlalo lithengiswa nga50 emalangeni umdlalo uqala nga3 PM. Sitawucela abantu ukuthi basibambe ikhathi stokhona kubalekele emalayini emaketeni Nkosi kwaza Nkosi
sikubonile kumbe sisuke emdlalweni omkhulu weNgonyama Cup sikubona kukhulunywa nga7,500 tickets na the weekend lo gcwale weqa kumbe eviki lephelile kuNgonyama Cup lapho kumbe bekune singizini khona idlala nawo iGreen Mamba Banana Sap so letinombolo nathi lo 7.5 emathikiti nyalo ukadzeni Thabiso siyayadla game na ike yamshaya ku 7.5 the we sitting capacity nasomhlolo yabeka ku over 10 iyona mfanje noma ngesikhathi lesengile phambili kusaphila la chairman wayo Swallows babegameta asekhona emhlabeni bayiqala nje kuba standard on fixture athi cha le game la yophindi quick-overs iyohlala idlala yona yamshaya over 10,000 uthi ngabe yini le ndendako noma sibonile letinye tindzawo ngathi unekhalakhala ukuthi kadzeni besiva ahead of the game over 2 weeks before bowuva ukuthi hayi nalamba bale bowubona nawo hamba ukuthi lamaqembu lawa asayohlangana bowuva kumbe red nesilo njengabo sigayo magoko asala asamemethela ibhola ayimemeteli kangadlali kumbe ayisebenzisa kumbe umthwebulo walenye game eyadlala kumbe last season noma nge-first round kumaketha wona lomdlalo usenta usinyalo kwentekana sisatibona izinto leto kuna kumbe ngakho entertainment uthe stadium sakubona nje first round iswala yakuzaba yakuyisa letha abantu abanjalo bayangizesha and sabona ukuthi crowd yakujabulela ukuthi ngabe wena uphekeni in terms of keeping the crowd entertained besides the football.
Yes. Okay, ngosindase ndabela lo kwanye lokhona lebese sakulungisa lokuphuthuma nje bese buke kusasa ukuthi sende meet and greet sende nje ama activations in selected towns lekutathi by midday today bantu batabe bakutholile ku social media bezicebo ukuthi imbabane Highlanders itabe igniting zawo nathi ngabani isikhathi sitabe sibaphethe some of our players laba badingo futhi laba bathandzako sitabe simphethe president weqembu siphethe Clayton Claimer siphethe Mengamenge siphethe Manyamanya siphethe Imvela kancane. So we will try by all means Chris ukuthi sikube khona lesikwendaba ukuze kube khona le vavavumi yale game lena. We will try as we look at next season and everything ukuthi sizama ku-improve again because like you say before ukhanza ukuthi the stadium is gcwala even if there's no entertainment from music. The football itself, it was enough, even though nanyalo thine we know ukuthi both teams what they're going to display lapha social on Sunday, it will be entertainment enough. Like I told you, we have all the kind of players that you'd want to watch on Sunday. Okay. Everything that you'd want to see.
Right, shothi ke mina mbukeli vele ulungise uthenge ithikithi lakho nyalo sesithathengeka ngesikhathi ubone ukuthi cha sonako kokubana uavoid ke ukubumbe soka poster somewhere ngitawuhamba utathi angena ukhande selisebenile ungcono ukuthi lihlale kuwe libe lakho nje ithikithi lakho. Sibonge kuye kumbe wamanyathi mlingani phela nje kumbe kancane lo 2 minutes usigobhethele la ishisekwe nedabi ukuthi yona isho ukuthini the derby especially in terms of the title usasa.
Nkosini nani babukele emakhaya kunembe eKings Obhuza lapho umgugudla insingizini hospital tabebhekene nabo Lova iRangers lesivile ukuthi iRangers ithi tawufaka umhlabathi emshibeni wensingizini lese itsinga nje lo mdlalo wakusasa ukuthi iphindze ibe ngebe champion be-M10 Premier League. Kuyabonga umdlalo lona babukele ube netension lematima ngaphambi ukuthi kungane ukuthi insingizini yokhanze ukuthi iyayonqobe kepha iRangers ayikhombise kulwa nengane kulo mdlalo kude ayincembeti ayicompromise singaphindze siphuthathe bona babukeli bemsakado Rubicon Media Group nabo bathanda bebhola eswatini ukuthi abaye khona Kings Obhuza babukela umdlalo lomkhulu emkhathini lamaqembu lamabili asesifundza saseshisoleni mlangeni nawo manyatha.
Okay, no, sibonge kakhulu Vunganze. Selimvile mlandeli lihlelo lenu ucishe sidalibeka lapho nomuhla. Kodwa nje singakagoqodi sesingasho ukuthi usekhona nje umdlalo ngesonto lesikhuluma ngawo. Ukhona lo waseshiselwe nje sikhuluma ngawo kusasa ngigcibele Kings Obhuza Memorial Stadium. Ikhona leminye imidlalo ithi cichisaka ledlala kusasa yakhe Premier League. Kanti kukhona naMula Sport naye uyadlala. Lapho nakhona khombisa ukuthi sebaya ngasekuphelele. Sesitawadi nokuthi town wabo bani bahle bobani nakhona. Sivese Nkosi ngicabanga ukuthi lokunyeni sakhuluma seyidlalile lo mdlalo manyatha sitawuphinde sinibite mangabe kumele sinibite next week nito sichazela ukuthi vele kube ngiyibolo lokubesikhuluma namhlanje nitshele nembukeli ukuthi cha iDerby siyibonile bekunene beyinhle noma benjani uwine bani made the best team win. Siyabonga.